emergency update for Bitcoin. So I made a post about this earlier on today when we were in this asymmetrical triangle, and you know, it looks like we've fallen to the downside of this. So we have now broken down. We are on the 4-hourly time frame. We have a new candle opening, well, pretty much now. So it's not looking too great for Bitcoin right now. We've obviously fallen out of this pretty hard. You can see lots and lots of selling volume has come in since we broke out of this, and now the bears are coming in control once again. So yeah, it's not really looking too good for the shorter time frames. I do actually think that Bitcoin has bottomed out in the macro scale. If I just show you the total crypto market cap quickly, you can see we've had a super strong rejection from the 618 Fibonacci at 1.84. And I also said as well, you know, we've got an asymmetrical triangle playing out here, and you know, in the past 4 hours we've just completely taken this out to the downside. So if we open a new Bitcoin chart, I'll show you why I think the macro bottom is pretty near. But that doesn't, you know, mean that we can't come down to like 38 or 37,000 in the short term. If we come over to the money flow, come onto the daily, you can see, I mean, we bottomed here at 9 on the daily, and you know, we could be coming back to sweep the lows. We could be coming back down for one leg further, but I wanted to show you. So look, we've got the bottom down here at 9. If I scroll back, you see that we don't actually reach 9 on the money flow indicator, since you have to come all the way back to 2015 when we actually bottomed around 5. So what does that mean? Basically, in the past 7 years worth of data, the money flow indicator hasn't been down as low as we recently were down. So we hadn't taken out 9 before. The lowest we've ever gone, well, since 2015 was 5, and we're currently sitting at 12 or 11 right now. But like I said, we just bottomed at 9, so I really don't think that we are going to be going too much lower. I would imagine this asymmetrical triangle would probably fill the target, maybe fake out to 37,000, or, you know, worst case scenario, the lows could be swept again at 35,000. I was looking at this in the macro term the other day, and I was noticing how a lot of the lows backtest each other before we do run up for another leg up, like on this move here, where we had this huge low down here, and then we started getting out of here, and then we came, you know, pretty much back to the low, but not exactly. I mean, we could be doing something similar to that right now in the macro scale. Where was the last bottom? The last macro one was down here at 28. So, you know, we've got 32 up here. We've still got ages away. Yeah, so I really would expect that we're going to bottom at some point soon. The money flow indicator says that the bottom is near in the macro term, and yeah, the short term we really could continue with this breakdown. You know, it's not looking too good, but you know, I will still be dollar cost averaging in as we go down, as it is. I don't think the risk is too harsh right now for buying Bitcoin. That's really all I've got. Not looking too great in the short term. We've fallen out of this, and yeah, bears are in control. That's all I've got for you. Not financial advice. Cowboy out. Peace.